Hi everyone, my name is Diana Garcia. I am the tutoring coordinator here at Breakthrough Silicon Valley. Thank you all for watching this video. We weren't able to have a live orientation session, so I will be summarizing the most important points on here, okay? Breakthrough Silicon Valley is a 6-year program that serves underrepresented students. We have students from 7th grade up until 12th grade, and our ultimate goal is for students when they graduate high school to be college ready and have all the tools and skills necessary in order to succeed in college. Breakthrough offers multiple resources, such as one of them would be academic support, which is why you are here. So our students do have free tutoring available to them. So tutoring sessions will be completely virtual. You know, we're going through a very hard time right now, and you know, everything with COVID happening, we are unable to meet in person. That being said, all sessions will be scheduled through Zoom. Our schedule is Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 3 to 7 p.m. We already have your preferred availability, so no need to be worried about being scheduled outside of the schedule that you provided for us. Students and tutors, again, are paired through mutual availability. So if the student is available from Monday at 3 p.m. and you are available Monday at 3 p.m. and you feel comfortable with the subject, then that would be a good match. And the way that this works is I would process that request, and then I would follow up with you as a tutor with a very detailed email of the student name, the subject, the start date, the number of sessions, and instructions on your first session and setting expectations. So session 1 expectations, students will bring the last 2 to 3 assignments or tests per subject. Students and tutors will come up with 5 topics or concepts to go over the course of the fall semester by the end of session 1. That's the goal. And lastly, review and identify what the student struggles with or does not understand well. I will not be going over the tips of an effective tutoring session. Please do that on your own time. I do want to go over 2 very important processes that we've implemented in the past few months, and it's crucial that you understand this part. So one of the things that we've implemented recently is a tutoring ticket system. It's a process for tutors to alert Breakthrough staff of special needs or issues or concerns that they have about their students. All of our students have a counselor or a a point person, and they are in charge of dealing with any behavior issues or academic, anything regarding the student. So this is information that is very important for me and for the rest of my team to know. And then the second thing is that we do a bi-weekly grade check policy. So we expect students and tutors to check in with their students regarding their grades. Now, I know that times are very weird right now, and not all students might have a letter grade. Maybe it's a percentage, or maybe it's something else. Whatever the case may be, please make sure that every 2 weeks you are checking in with that student and you are noting something down, whether that's a letter grade or whether that's a percentage. So again, it's every 2 weeks. There is a specific Excel sheet that I will be sharing with you that you will have access to. So make sure that you are implementing this process with your students. This is a screenshot of what it looks like. So again, I will be sharing the links attached to this email that I will be sending out. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Okay? I think that concludes the just the most important points that I want to mention. Thank you for your time.